So you can have this for breakfast or just a dinner substitute. Yeah. So it does the job and it's super spicy because of the ginger. So guys, here is all we need for this remedy. We need 1 orange, 1 apple. I'm actually using green apple for this recipe. So we are going to use about half a lemon, our ginger, and also our garlic. So here is the 5 ingredients we are going to be using. Meanwhile, I already have all of them here. They are washed and clean. Yeah, I'm going to be juicing my orange. I'm going to be juicing half a lemon. You can also use lime for this recipe depending on what you have. So guys, this is our lemon juice. So I'm going to put it aside. So I'm going to first of all cut my ingredients in order to make it easier for my blender. Guys, mind you, all these things, they are washed, they are all clean. I washed them with vinegar and water. So we are going to pop everything inside the blender. It's a quick and easy juice, guys. So I'm going to be adding the lemon, the orange. Yeah, and nothing goes to waste. You can also add some water, and that's it. Just blend. You can decide to just drink it like that, like a smoothie, or you can sieve it depending on how you like it. So that's it. So guys, cheers. It's super spicy because of the ginger. So you can have this for breakfast or just a dinner substitute. Yeah. So it does the job and it's super spicy because of the ginger. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and share, and please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching. Bye.